Most mold removers don't actually fix the problem, they just clean the surface and let mold come back even worse. Concrete is porous, which means mold grows deep inside, not just on top. That's why we tested multiple mold removers to find the ones that actually clean deep without wasting your time. Stay until the end for our number one pick. It removed deep stains fast and helped prevent mold from coming back. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Wet and Forget Multi-Surface Cleaner, one of the easiest and most low-effort options for removing mold from concrete. This mold remover for concrete is designed with a simple concept. Spray it on and let time do the work. There's no need for scrubbing, pressure washing, or complicated application methods. Once applied, it gradually breaks down mold, mildew, and algae using rain and weather exposure. This makes it especially useful for large outdoor areas like driveways, patios, and walkways where manual cleaning would take hours. Another advantage is that it's safe to use on multiple surfaces, including brick, stone, and siding, making it a versatile cleaning solution around your home. However, the biggest trade-off is speed. Unlike fast-acting chemical cleaners, this product works slowly over several days or even weeks. That means you won't see instant results. Also, while it helps remove mold stains, it's not the strongest option for killing deep-rooted mold instantly. Still, if you want a hands-off, long-term mold remover for concrete that requires almost zero effort, this is a great choice and earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Moldex Instant Outdoor Cleaner, a budget-friendly option that focuses on both cleaning and killing mold on concrete surfaces. This mold remover for concrete is designed to eliminate mold and mildew while also helping prevent future growth, which is important for long-term results. One of its biggest advantages is its bleach-free formula, making it safer to use compared to harsh chemical cleaners. This also reduces the risk of damaging surrounding surfaces like plants or painted areas. It works well on outdoor concrete surfaces such as patios, walls, and sidewalks, especially in damp or shaded environments where mold tends to grow. Another benefit is its simple spray and rinse application. However, while it does a good job at killing mold, it may not remove deep, dark stains instantly, especially compared to stronger, professional-grade cleaners. Overall, if you're looking for a safe and affordable mold remover for concrete that focuses on prevention and maintenance, the Moldex cleaner is a solid option and earns the number 4 position. Taking the number 3 spot is the Concrobium Mold Control, a highly effective solution designed specifically to kill mold at the root and prevent it from coming back. Unlike many cleaners that rely on bleach, this mold remover for concrete uses a unique formula that works by crushing mold spores and leaving behind a protective barrier. This prevents new mold from growing on the surface. This makes it especially useful for basements, concrete walls, garages, and damp environments where mold tends to return frequently. Another major advantage is that it's non-toxic and low odor, making it safer to use in enclosed areas compared to strong chemical cleaners. It also works on both porous and non-porous surfaces, making it versatile for different applications around your home. However, one important thing to note is that it doesn't remove stains very well. You may still see discoloration after the mold is killed, which means you might need a separate cleaner for cosmetic results. Still, if your goal is long-term mold control and prevention on concrete surfaces, this is one of the most effective solutions available and earns the number 3 spot. At number 2 is the Wet and Forget Moss, Mold, Mildew and Algae Stain Remover, a more powerful and concentrated version designed for larger and more stubborn cleaning jobs. This mold remover for concrete is ideal for large outdoor surfaces, including driveways, patios, sidewalks and retaining walls. Like the original wet and forget formula, it uses a no-scrub approach, allowing you to apply it and let natural weather conditions gradually remove mold, mildew and algae. What sets this version apart is its stronger concentration, which allows it to handle tougher stains and larger coverage areas more effectively. It's particularly useful for homeowners dealing with widespread mold growth across outdoor concrete surfaces. Another advantage is its ability to treat multiple types of organic growth at once, including moss, algae and mildew, not just mold. However, like other slow-acting cleaners, it requires patience. Results won't appear instantly, and it may take days or weeks for full effect. Still, if you want a low-maintenance, large-area mold remover for concrete that delivers long-term results, this is one of the best options and earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the RMR 86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover, the most powerful and fastest acting option on this list. This mold remover for concrete is designed to deliver instant visible results, often removing mold stains within seconds of application. That makes it one of the best choices for users who want immediate improvement. It works by penetrating deep into porous surfaces like concrete, breaking down the stains caused by mold and mildew quickly and effectively. One of its biggest advantages is that it requires little to no scrubbing, saving both time and effort. It's especially effective for heavy mold buildup, dark stains and neglected surfaces, making it ideal for tough cleaning jobs. However, it's important to note that while it excels at removing stains, it doesn't provide long-term mold prevention. For best results, it's often paired with a product like Concrobium to stop regrowth. Even with that limitation, its speed, power and ease of use make it stand out above the rest. If you want the best mold remover for concrete for instant results and deep cleaning, the RMR 86 easily takes the